Meaning of depute.
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 Depute. The word depute is a verb that means to assign or delegate a task or responsibility to someone else. It implies giving someone else the authority to act on one's behalf, often in an official capacity. By deputing someone, the delegator can benefit from the deputy's expertise or knowledge in a particular area, or free up time to focus on other tasks. Deputing can also help to share the workload and distribute responsibilities among team members. Overall, deputing is a useful tool for effective delegation and effective team management.